My name is Star and you can call me Sid. And if you're anywhere between 14 to 40 years of age, this video is for you. Do you know which skills would be the most desired skills that the employers would be looking at in the near future? Talking on a global scale, these are going to be the most desired skills in the future. And look at who's predicting these forecasts. I've worked for top IT teams under the leadership of global firms for more than 15 years. Today, I am a certified data scientist, a visiting professor of computer science, and an online instructor. Let me give you a sneak peek into my classrooms.
This equals form dot. You know what display result is? I'll do a value plus result. We are almost done. Let's quickly check our calculator. Yeah, and it's working. If you can see, now looking at the formula of this line, we can always predict to our client John Doe that despite of no increase in the food quality, the journey experience is still going to increase by 100 points. Among the following, which one is a limitation for data science? What do you think? Use your poll buttons and let's see, what do you think? Okay, we've got scores here and 32% of the people here say it's B. However, there are 26% people also who says it is not accurate enough. So let's look at the answer. So yeah, B. Most of you are right. So after this class, I want you to log into your Google Classroom, go to your assignment segment, and you should be able to see this assignment here. You can also refer to the notes.
Sir, here we are using two different functions with the same name, average.
So if you're looking at an immersive learning experience right from your home with real-life projects and offline content, you must book a session now with the link given here, and let's customize your learning. All the best and see you in my class. Bye now.